Welcome to another episode of A Journey to Jannat. Today we visit the Grand Mosque of Kufa.
Masjid Kufa is one of the oldest and most significant holy sites in the world. With regards to its history, Islamic traditions state that the earlier prophets in particular, including Hazrat Adam, Nuh, Ibrahim and Idris, all worshipped at this site. There are many stations or maqams within this holy mosque that we will talk about in more detail later in the video. Masjid Kufa also houses 3 graves of 3 prominent figures within Islamic history. The first being Hani bin Urwa, the second Hazrat Muslim ibn Aqil alayhi salam, and the third Muqtar al-Sakhafi. During the Khilafat of Imam Ali alayhi salam, Masjid Kufa was the headquarters for the Islamic Caliphate, and it was in this exact mosque on the 19th of Ramadan where Amir al-Mu'mineen Imam Ali alayhi salam was struck by the sword of Ibn Muljam, may Allah's Jannat be upon him. But similar to his grandfather, Imam Mahdi alayhi salam will also use Kufa as the headquarters of his government. There are narrations about a crack forming in one of the walls of Masjid Kufa, being one of the last signs of the Zuhur of the Imam. May Allah hasten his reappearance. One of the many significant areas in this mosque is that of one of the doors known as Bab Soban. Soban means snake in Arabic, and there's a story behind why this door is named this. One day Amir al-Mu'mineen Imam Ali alayhi salam was delivering a sermon from the pulpit inside the mosque of Kufa when a large serpent slithered through this specific gate. The people panicked. Imam Ali alayhi salam calmly told them to stay still. According to narrations, this serpent came to Amir al-Mu'mineen to ask him a question. The serpent was known to be a jurist for the jinns, and he had a difficult question to ask the Imam. Once the Imam gave his reply, the snake bowed its head and vanished. And since that day, that very gate is now known as Bab Soban, the door of the snake. Amongst the many stations here in Masjid Kufa, there's one known as Dakat al-Qaza. It was a raised platform, or known as the seat of justice of the Imam. The Imam used this platform to resolve disputes, judge legal cases, and deliver verdicts for the community. One famous incident where a young unmarried girl was accused or suspected of unlawful pregnancy. This carried severe social or legal implications at the time, but Imam Ali's intervention saved her life. The woman would have been subjected to either 100 lashes to the back or stoning to death. The Imam intervened and asked for a veil to be put in front of her. An area that would resemble a bath or a large bowl was placed there with water in it, and the woman was asked to sit in there. There was a parasite living within her stomach, making her bloat, giving her the signs of pregnancy. But when she sat in the water, the parasite was removed. The divine wisdom of the Imam saved her life and gave justice for everyone involved. This area is now referred to as Maqam Bait al-Tasht, the house of the basin. This area of the mosque houses the mihrab where Imam Ali alayhi salam would lead his prayers. This area is very, very important because it is where Imam Ali alayhi salam was struck by the sword of Ibn Muljam, may Allah's Jannat be upon him. There are many other stations or maqams scattered across this mosque, including that of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, where it is believed that the Noah's Ark was built in this very mosque, and it is believed to have taken roughly 50 years to make. Also the masallas of our Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa wasallam, and that of Jibreel alayhi salam as well. Over the next few episodes, we will look deeper into this mosque and the holy personalities that were buried here, including Muqtar, Hani bin Urwa, and Hazrat Muslim ibn Aqil.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Like, share and subscribe.